Hey there coders, welcome to today's lesson on JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to print the contents of the current window with just a simple function. Let's get started. Printing the contents of a web page can be very useful, especially for reports, receipts, or any information you need on paper. In this lesson, we'll learn how easy it is to do this using JavaScript. First, we need to define a function named print current page. This function will handle the printing action. Inside our function, we call window.print. This method triggers the browser's print dialog, allowing the user to print the current page. Let's break it down. The window.print method belongs to the window object, which represents a browser window. This method opens the print dialog, letting you print the contents of the window. In ES6, the code remains the same, but we often prefer using an arrow functions and const for declaring variables. However, in this case, our function is so simple that it doesn't require any changes. To use this function, you can link it to a button in your HTML. Here is an example. When you click the button, it will call our print current page function and open the print dialog. And that's it. We've learned how to print the current window contents using JavaScript. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials and lessons. See you in the next video.